Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We will search about Duolingo. If you find update here, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.